You are welcome to my channel. In this video we'll be looking at technical drawing 3, that's paper 3 of 2020 for school candidates. Now we'll be looking at the freehand sketch there. We'll solve question 1. Now the question says that the figure above shows the plan and elevation of a bearing support in first angle orthographic projection. Make a freehand, note that, freehand, isometric, also note that, as freehand isometric drawing of the block, making K, note that one too, the lowest point. Take note of that. Now, we have been told to draw it in freehand sketch. That means we are not using any instrument apart from our pencil, eraser. Now, secondly, we have to draw it in isometric, not oblique projection, but in isometric projection. Now, then another thing to note there is that we should make K the lowest point. This is K, you should make it the lowest point. In my previous videos, when we treated conversion of orthographic to isometric, I told you when your lowest point is by the left, then you draw a receding line from all the corners of the elevation. So you draw a receding line from all these corners of the elevation, like this. You have to use your drawing exactly. So you have this, so you can now put parallel line to this. You should go up, parallel line to this small one to come like this. This one too, parallel line to this, it should be somewhere here. And this one, this curved part, it shows that this thing is actually a curved part. Now, so this one will look somehow like this, and this one too will be this. So you are drawing parallel, the same thing here, we are drawing it at the back. Now, if you look at the plan, the first question you want to ask yourself is, are we going to see this? Because when you look at the plan, you are expected to see this. No, we will not see this, because this one is telling us this line is extending, which is here to here, is extending all through. So that means the portion is actually in the middle, maybe from somewhere here to here. So that means this one, the curve will actually be somewhere here, like this, in the middle. Then it will be here too, like this. So you have this. So it is not in the front. Another thing you need to take note is that this circular part, which you have the hidden line here, is actually not in the front. I mean, sorry, it is actually in the front before this receding line. So you have to take note of that. Then another thing you need to note is that this line will actually come down like this and like this. Now, at this point where it is intersecting the base, you now need to draw this like this, so that your circle will be somewhere here and here. So that is, and the same thing will happen at the back. Then this line will go like this. Now this one, now we need to now convert it. As it is now, it is in oblique. This one should be like an ellipse. Now as it is now, it is in oblique because this line is horizontal, and you are told to draw it in isometric. So in converting it now, so let us now go to the conversion. Now we have been told to make K the lowest point. So you put a point here, draw something like V. Look like V. Take note it is in isometric, we are drawing it. So you take this vertically upward. Now let us get this line here. You take this upward and bring this here. Take this one too this way, and you complete it here. Let us close the box first. You can see that I don't have double lines. All my lines are single lines. It is very, very important to take note of that. Now in this middle here, you now put a vertical line somewhere here, and let's say here. You know you are drawing in with freehand. So let us choose this point and this point. So you take this one vertically upward, take this one to vertically upward. Let us close it here. Now take this line to this other side, take it vertically upward. This one too will be somewhere here. Take it vertically upward. You take it vertically upward, you close it. Now you take this one, looks a little bit higher than the other one, so let's say it stops here. Now you take this one here and this one goes here. Over here you can put your ellipse like this and like this. The one at the back here you cannot see it. Now take note that this portion has this thickness here to here, so you bring it here like this. Do the same thing on this other side like this, and over here now you now put your half of an ellipse like this. The same thing here like this, so you can now thicken out the layout of your drawing like this. This one comes like this. Make sure you use single line, there shouldn't be any double line. You have to draw it with freehand. Then this one goes like this, comes down, comes like this, then goes up, connect to this one here like this and like that. So that is how to do the freehand sketch. Then this one too, it is an edge, will come like this. So that is the freehand sketch of this object. So take note that it's very important for you to write K as the lowest point. Write K as the lowest point. So that is the freehand sketch of this question. So, and take note that it should be drawn without set square or ruler. If you done without set square or ruler, so this is how to do it. So thank you very much for watching video. If you have enjoyed the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video.